Ever wished you could share those inside jokes and epic moments with just your closest crew on Instagram? You absolutely can. And it's super simple to set up your own private Instagram group chat. First things first, open up your Instagram app from your main feed. Look for the little paper airplane icon in the top right corner. Tap that to head to your direct messages. Now, you'll see a new message button, usually at the top or top right of your screen. Go ahead and tap that. This is where you start building your dream team. Begin typing the usernames of the friends you want to add to your group chat in the search bar. As you type, Instagram will suggest matching accounts. Tap the circle next to each person's name. As you select them, you can add multiple people here, so don't be shy. Once you've picked all your participants, you'll see a button to create your chat. It might say chat or a new message. Tap it to confirm. And there you have it. You've officially created your Instagram group chat. Now you can all share posts, send stories, and message privately, all in one dedicated space. This is perfect for planning events, sharing memes, or just keeping up with your favorite people without cluttering your main feed. Managing who sees what has never been easier. You can easily send photos, videos, and even voice messages to your entire group with just a few taps. So go ahead, gather your circle and start connecting more intimately on Instagram. Happy chatting! #Instagram tips #group chat.